What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bly for YB Worx.
What's up? It's your boy Nick.
And we are back here today with the Budget Minivan. If you guys have been paying attention to Real Dude Rex channel, then you guys have switched out the radio to a little cheap Boss radio that's just a source unit pretty much. There's no CD player or anything to it. I don't really care for a CD player anyway. And we got the flash drive with some nice rebased music now, so we can thump pretty hard now. And other than that, we haven't done much else yet. I've been at work, Nick's been at work, so we haven't got anything else done yet. But today we've got some actual stuff to do, and Nick's gonna tell you about that.
All right, so first thing we gotta do is we gotta get in here and we gotta change the oil filter housing gasket, because you can see it's messing up the shine. It's getting everywhere. It's running upside of the van. We leaving puddles everywhere.
You can't really see it too well. We'll show it to you guys whenever we get the wheel off and everything. But
yeah, and then after that we are going to do, it's a repair and an upgrade, because you see this distance here. We got a lot of play out of the weight of this box and these old shocks. So we're going to upgrade to some shocks that are actually made for a little bit more of a load, since we got that big old box in the back. So stick around, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, and don't forget to give us a like if you like what you see.
alright, YouTube, so we got the wheel off now, and as you can see, there is oil leaking everywhere, and we believe it's that seal right behind that guy there. We gotta get that. You can kind of see where it's coming down at. So we're gonna change that guy out, change that seal behind that, and while we're at it, obviously we're gonna change the oil too. So gonna get us a oil pan down here, so that way we can drain this oil into it and get this thing started. See, look at that, man, everywhere. It's all down the back. It's running down everything. So yeah, we gotta get that fixed. Alright, YouTube, so as you can see, we have got it off. We got the seal off, and now we got to replace that seal. But in the meantime, we're going to clean up this area around there just a little bit as we can. And Nick is over here going to take and use some of the PV blaster and a little wire brush and try to clean up that and try to clean up the mounting surface for that. And then we're gonna put this thing back on, pretty much. Alright guys, so we got this cleaned up as best we can. Cleaned up around it a little bit of this. We should be able to tell if that is what was leaking. There was nothing we could really tell that was leaking. That was just where the oil, kind of the highest point, and where it seemed to be building up the most and everything, and coming out, seemed to be coming out the most, but we'll have to see. But that's why we wanted to clean up the area pretty decent, but we're not gonna clean everything up. That would take way too long right now. So anyway, we're gonna get back to it. We just gotta put that on, put the oil filter on, and put some oil in this thing. And then this part is done, and we'll move on to the back suspension. So make sure that you hit the like button, comment down below what you guys think of the video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a drop. All right, YouTube, so we are back. We got the front wheel and everything back on, oil in the van, filter on, everything looks good so far. We ran it up, we turned the motor over, we started it up, made sure we didn't see any leaks right away. We didn't, so now it's just a waiting game to see how it goes. But at this point, we are about to get started over here and hopefully take those shocks out of there and put the new shocks on. Hopefully that doesn't take us too long. Stick around, guys, see how it goes. This is what we think our issue is. I mean, yeah, he's using a little bit of muscle, but he really shouldn't be able to push that in that far. And I'm pretty sure it shouldn't stay in. Like, yeah. Pretty sure that shouldn't do that. But so we probably would be good enough by just putting factory shocks back on. But we're gonna put these bad boys on just because we're gonna make sure we're good, you know. We want to give ourselves the best shot. These are Monroe shocks off Amazon, and I believe I paid about 75 bucks for the pair. But either way, I will make sure to pop it up on the screen right about now. So guys, if you want, pause that and look at that if you want to see what they were. But we're gonna put these on right quick.
Alright guys, so all we're doing right now is rolling it back, pulling it back forward so the suspension will settle, get the tires straightened back out so we can see where our ride height is at now. And at the moment, it actually looks pretty good. It's up, I'd probably say, a good inch and a half really. Doesn't look too bad though. Still got the poke outs going, but we got the shocks on there. And it don't look bad, so we give it a good shot, not tearing the tire up with this big old box in the back and riding. So when we got the gasket changed, we got that done. The only thing she really need now is to get us a good wash up, get all that oil off the other side, get her back clean. But that's it for today's video. Y'all don't forget, hit that subscribe button, click the little bell so you can catch all our upcoming content. And that's a wrap.